If you want websites to work properly in Google Chrome, one of the first things you may need to do is enable JavaScript. JavaScript is what powers a lot of interactive features on websites, like menus, buttons, forms, videos, and live updates. If it's turned off, some sites may look broken or may not load correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Chrome JavaScript step by step, and it only takes a minute. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots, also known as the More menu. This opens Chrome's main menu with all of the browser settings and tools. From here, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can control privacy, security, site permissions, and other browser options. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Privacy and Security and click it. This section includes the controls for cookies, browsing data, permissions, and content settings. Next, in the main window, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to use, including camera access, pop-ups, notifications, and JavaScript. After that, scroll down to the Content section and click JavaScript. This is the specific setting that controls whether websites can run JavaScript in your browser. Now you'll see the default behavior option. Under that, select sites can use JavaScript. Once you choose this option, Chrome will allow JavaScript to run normally on websites, which should fix many issues caused by blocked scripts. If you previously had JavaScript disabled, refreshing the web page after changing this setting should be enough for the site to work properly again. And that's it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.